Hello and welcome. Today I'm just going to be doing a very cozy, relaxed, rainy day at home video. So I'm just going to take you along for my day. So far, just made breakfast. I've learned that a lot of people aren't fans of oatmeal from sharing this habit. Don't come at me, but I eat plain oatmeal for breakfast. Sometimes I do put fruit in it and stuff, but I like to have at least one meal a day, be healthy, and then I'm not a morning person. I don't have to think about what to eat for breakfast. And I always have to have my coffee, have my Ariel mug. Yeah. I just finished breakfast and now I'm gonna work on the dishes. I just did the clean ones and now I'm gonna get the dirty ones in there. Dishes are finished and I just threw in a load of laundry and the sun has come out. It stopped raining. Now I'm gonna hop in the shower, get cleaned up, and I'm gonna do some face care after, so I'll see you for face care. We are all showered up. Now I'm gonna put my hair in a hair turbie. I always use this after I shower. I think it helps my hair to dry better, and then I don't have wet hair in my way. Okay, hair's out of the way. Let's do some face care. So I already washed and exfoliated in the shower, so my face is completely ready. And I use, not sure how to pronounce it, but Laneige. This was a hand-me-down. I'm a broke college student, so I would not have this otherwise, so I'm really grateful to have been given it. It also got me doing face care because it comes as a full set and tells you what order to put them in. I honestly don't even know the science behind each one, what each one is supposed to be doing or not. I mean, they're all labeled, like this one says skin refiner. I don't know. But it made it a lot easier because I wanted to do face care, but coming up with the whole routine and buying all these individual products and looking up if they're good or not, and do you need toner, do you not need toner, do you need this, do you need that, what order do you do it in, it's all very daunting for me, and just having this ready to go kit was perfect for me. Regenerator. If you don't do skincare, I will say I highly recommend it. It makes such a difference. The more showers that I'm consistent about putting this on after, the better my skin feels. But I must admit, I am not consistent with it. I'm very lazy, and a lot of times after a shower, I'm done, you know? I just don't want to go through the hassle, which it doesn't even take that long, but it makes a difference, so do as I say, not as I do, right? This one is the emulsion. Lastly is just the moisturizing cream. I also have this under eye cream. It's supposed to be like an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. I dab it on under my eyes. Is it doing anything? I don't know. I would like to think this would keep me from aging, I first got interested in doing face care. I had bought a Korean skincare box with just random things that you could use to start with. So for a little while I was doing that, and this was one of the things that came in that. Face care is done. Welcome to my room. Yes, I have a giant duck on my bed. Anyways, ooh. Oh, I gotta show you that. Look at this. Super dark and cloudy, but at the same time it's so sunny still. I love when that happens. Anyways, this is outfit of the day today. I am not leaving the house, so yes, I've gone from one pair of pajamas to another. I am going to paint my nails. They've started chipping. Honestly, not terribly. I've had this color on for a week now. I painted them for Barbie. I did hot pink with a light pink accent on the ring fingers. So yeah, I'm over the color. The color I want to do is this teal sparkly color with all these little sequins in it. I think it's so pretty. It's making me think sparkly summer mermaid. I'm gonna go trim my nails a little bit, get them down, and then we'll be painting some nails. Nails are now trimmed up. I keep them very short compared to most, so now let's work on getting the old color off. Uh-oh, that's so see-through. Go see if I have something else I can put as a color on the bottom and use this to top it. Okay, I've dug up some options that are in similar shades as this. Let's do some experimenting. Start with this one. Nicole's a good brand. That's actually the brand that I had on before. Let's see what it does. Wow. Still see-through. Let's try this one. This is like a really pretty aquamarine color with sparkles in it. But it's from Five Below, so I don't have the highest hopes. Nope, see-through. It's pretty though. I do like it. It's actually nice. You just need color. Last option, let's hope it works. Please have color, please have color, please have color. Okay, I think we can work with that. Ooh, the more I touch it, the less color there is. What if I do, I'm gonna try a coat of this one, because this had the most color, and then top it with this. See what happens. Hopefully that's dry. I'm thinking I'm actually gonna try a second coat of this. That's a decent amount of color. Guess I'll just keep going with that then. I tested the glitter on top, the original color I was gonna do, and I'm liking the way that looks, so I'm gonna continue on the rest. happy how they came out. This was more what I was envisioning. Also, I'm not a great nail painter, so no, they're not perfect. It's just for fun. I'm gonna end today off here. I don't want this to get too long, but this was basically a morning in my life. So I'm thinking soon that I could do a nighttime one, a night in my life. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!